Okay, I know you already know and love the iconic EltaMD UV Clear, but let me tell you why this new drop, EltaMD UV Clear Blemish-Prone and Oil Balancing SPF 50, is going to change some things for you. Okay, don't panic. The classic UV Clear isn't going away. With the new UV Clear Blemish-Prone SPF 50, you can expect the same lightweight texture, but this formula treats active blemishes and is also specifically made for oily and acne-prone skin. One version isn't better than the other. Here's a comparison chart. If you have normal, sensitive skin prone to acne or rosacea, you'll like the classic UV Clear. If you have sensitive, combination, oily skin with consistent blemishes, excess oil, and shine, then you'll like the new UV Clear Blemish Prone and Oil Balancing. It also helps calm redness and has an SPF of 46. I personally love how it wears under makeup. This new formula just takes things a step further for anyone dealing with excess oil, blemishes, or enlarged pores. It contains 5% niacinamide, which addresses acne, pore size, and oil control. Plus, EltaMD's new Zinc-AOX Pro Technology, which combines 4 antioxidants and zinc oxides to give advanced broad-spectrum protection against UV rays and environmental stressors. Of course, EltaMD did some clinical testing on it too, and the numbers are pretty impressive. It helps reduce visible blemishes, excess oil, shine, and even pore size. Let's try it. Oh, the texture is really lightweight and not greasy at all, very much like the classic UV Clear. It definitely absorbs quickly, and I'm not seeing any white cast. I don't see this pilling under makeup, and it soaks right into the skin. It would make a perfect mattifying sunscreen. I've got to say, if you already love the UV Clear and want a sunscreen for oily skin or blemishes, then I know you're gonna love this. I know how tough it can be to find a sunscreen with all of that in mind. Find it at lovelyskin.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!